So first and foremost, I want to thank y'all if y'all just made it here from downloading some of our tools, watching one of our videos, or just stumbling on, or maybe somebody recommended you. I want to thank you first and foremost for getting here because this is where you're going to get the next level up of your journey. First off, I want to tell you, like, we got all the tools you need, but it's more important to know that, like, this is the guidance that I was looking for when I was on my journey, right? Where to buy stuff, who to talk to, when to do it, how to do it. So I'm giving you 7, 8, 9 years of my life experiences literally through the Create course. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what that is. And then, I hope you enjoy everything that's here. So let's get to some of the details before I let you go. So if you haven't already, we have something that's called the Creative Course, right? It's an ebook that I made, and essentially it tells you these 5 steps that made it super easy for me to start leveling up. Things like being able to sell merchandise using digital platforms and just creating products in general, which was like the secret sauce to how I was able to develop my platform. Now, the second thing, which is brand new, and I made it just in honor of the fact that we created a new space for the Creative Course, I'm using Stand Store. And if you want to get your own Stand Store is pretty much just a place where you get all of your creative tools, you get Google Meetups. Like if you're one of them people that want to create an educational space or like a resource tool space for people to be able to engage with and get automated and stuff like that. And when I say get automated, I mean like emails are being sent out, things are being ran for you, schedules are being made. If that's something that sounds like it's for you, you can check the link in my description, right? And because in honor of me making my own Stand Store, I wanted to be able to give y'all something that's new, right? I didn't just want to upload a bunch of stuff I already had to a new tool that I'm using. So this one that we have is called the Creatives Essentials, right? So that's a PDF that you can get on my Stand Store exclusively. It's only there right now. And then I feel like my best accomplishment now is like over the last year and a half, I've been creating something called the Create Method, right? The Create Method is an acronym that I created. And as y'all can see, I made hats, you know what I mean? In real life, if y'all interested in that, let me know. But the Create Method is mainly about giving people an 8-step plan on how I was able to take things like the creative course, my experiences in life, and then be able to build a community around it so that I could start monetizing it online. Because a lot of my ventures were all about, direct to consumer, renting out space, being a photographer, videographer. But now I was able to teach people how to do all of that simply in 8 steps through content, create your own audience, and then being able to engage with them directly versus having to rely on third party or, platforms and social media and things of that nature. So I feel like that's my greatest accomplishment is giving y'all the Create course. So if y'all have any questions about any of that stuff, drop it in the comments, or you could just check the description and I'll make sure I give y'all all of that stuff. So I hope y'all enjoy the channel and I hope you enjoy this new level up for the creative community. Actually, in honor of all of this, if you want to book a call with me and just get to know me more, or I give you some insight on what you're working on, I'll give you a profile audit. I'll give you a YouTube channel audit. I'll just audit something in your personal business and brand just so that you can see like, hey, he really knows what he's talking about.